Folks, the big iced tea taste test is history, and the clear winner is Louisiana. In Atlanta, it's Louisiana over Lipton, 65-30. In Birmingham, 67% prefer the great taste of Louisiana. Louisiana's secret? Louisiana just tastes a whole lot better. See how satisfying iced tea can taste. Final tally, Louisiana preferred 2-1. It's the clear winner. I like a day that's not cloudy and a tea that's not cloudy. That's why I like Louisiana. Louisiana's got special tea leaves that keep it clear as a bell all day. Now, if you're drinking Lipton or Tetley, look at the box. It tells you what to do when it turns cloudy. Louisiana says nothing about cloudy, 'cause it doesn't get cloudy. Louisiana, the one tea that's always clear as a bell. That was given to me in Oregon. An old gentleman up there had carved it, and he knows that I like walking sticks, especially unusual ones, so it's a gift. Oh, I have many. I have one with the head of a bird. I have several Irish blackthorns, and I've many carved and decorated canes that people have sent me, and I've gotten as gifts. So I have quite a collection. I love them. I collect owls and eagles. I don't really know. I never count them, but I think it's going to be pretty good. We're doing 11 instead of 8 this year, and just the lawyers and a doctor. Yeah. Yes, I think it would have been nice to have had Hal with the group and the senator, because I enjoyed the show. I got a theory about that. I've been around the country quite a lot, as you know, and I ask questions and I discuss things with people, and I think it's possible. Now, this is just a theory. From what I gathered, they all liked Hal very much, and they like the idea of the show, but the public is very funny. They may not know exactly why they reject something, but there's always a good reason. And as I discussed the thing with people, occasionally I got a hint that here was a senator, a U.S. senator, so, quote, he is also a politician. And he was always really sort of the perfect man in the perfect position, you know, with the perfect attitude. And I think that the American people don't quite have that conception of politicians. And I think subconsciously they said this is not quite, you know, quite so. And I was, on 4th of July, I was in Bend, Oregon. We had 17,000 people seated on the side of the river there, sitting on the grass. And we had a big time up there. Really celebrated the 4th of July.